Collections are nothing but type of variables that can store multiple number of records. For example, if you take uh, a list of colors with similar data type called string. Uh, List of colors like red, blue, green. These are a list of colors are group, and red, blue, green are called elements. So in simple terms, we can say that uh, to store similar data, similar elements in groups, we use collections. There are three types of collections, such as list, set, and map. Uh, list we use when we have when it is order and it will allow duplicates. Collection of similar elements is called list. As I said, like list of colors. In that colors names like elements like red, blue, green. So these are the collections of similar elements. So this can be called as list. It is ordered and it will allow duplicates. If of color one is red, color two is red. It is having uh, it is having uh, index position so that it can use duplicates. The syntax of list is list data type, list name, new list data types. So more about list is like list can hold any data list type like integer, subjects, custom objects, anything it can hold and the elements of it, and it is an ordered collection. Uh, it is index position based type of collections, and it will allow duplicates as I discussed earlier. So uh, uh, this is about the list, and these are the methods that we have in the list. Like add method, it will add the list of elements, and another add method, it will add both index numbers and as well as list of elements. Add all method is like in add method it will only we can add only one data, but in add all method we can add all the list present in the data. And clear method, we can clear the list. Clone method, we can clone from list one elements into the list two elements. And remove method, we can remove the list. And size method we use in order to know the size of the uh, list. And equal methods, it is used when it is a boolean expression. So if list one equal to list two, it will give the result as true. Uh, so I had this is the example of the list that I have created.
ఇక్కడ 1 minute సార్. ఇక్కడ
హలో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వలేదు బ్రో.
అవ్వలేదు. Screen. Is it visible?
Screen is visible. You are showing methods list, right? Methods in list.
Yes, sir. See, I've created some example regarding list. Like, I have taken the 3 branches like CSE, EEC.
No, that screen you are not seeing. We are seeing methods in the list. Maybe you can stop the screen and I can share once again.
Okay. Yeah, now it's sharing. Developer console.
It is loading, sir.
Yeah.
You can see now.
Yeah. So I've taken 3 departments like CSE, ECE, EEE as a list. where I added a list of elements. Like, in this list, I have added another list of elements like mech and IT, where we, as I said, we use that method. Hello.
స్క్రీన్ కనబడట్లేదండి. ఇన్వాలిడ్ సెషన్ ఐడి.
ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుందా? హలో,
ఓకే.
కనిపిస్తుంది.
కనిపిస్తుంది.
Yeah. So I have taken a list of departments like CSE, ECE, EEE, where I again added using add method. I added mech and IT. So so after using add method, it will add all the to like mech and IT into the list of elements, and then these are the index that we are assigning for the elements. And so I'm assigning 0 to civil and 5 to biotechnology. So civil will display at the first top, and the 0, it's as I said, list we always started with 0 index. So at 0 it will be civil, and fourth it will be biotechnology. So it will start from 0 to 8. So yeah, fourth element will be biotechnology only. So if I add all, uh, it will add both index and it will add all the elements in the list, and from the list to the department list. And if for the size, it will show the size of the department. And for getting index, index means the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is index. Using using get index method, we can know the index present in it. And is empty, it is a boolean value, and it will show whether the list is empty or not. So clone method, I have cloned from department లో ఉండే ఎలిమెంట్స్ అని I clone into department test2 only. And then clear method, and clear method, it will use to clear all the elements in the list. And so this is all the methods used in the list. So list and sets are similar, but there is certain things that is differ between list and set. That is, it will not allow duplicates, and it is not index pairs, but in list it will allow duplicates, and it is index pairs, and it is unordered. And basically set will be used when we have unique values, like in email addresses, and email addresses will be always be unique. So we'll use set when the elements are unique, and they set used when there is large database. So it is also collection of similar elements. Syntax is like set data type, set name equal to new set data type.
So how many
The
ways we
slide
can
is-
use list in Apex code? Can you tell me?
Sorry.
How many ways can we use? Can we access list in Apex code? How many ways?
Like if it is
Like
I didn't get
Ante-
like what you asked.
Okay, how many ways we can access list in Apex code? అంటే మనం ఎన్ని వేస్ లో మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు లిస్ట్ ని అపెక్స్ కోడ్ లో?
You can use anything, ma'am. Access means like list of accounts, list of string, list of colors, anywhere. Okay, if you want to store anything, any data type, primitive or collection, whatever it may be. Primitive data type as objects. Any as objects, if you, anything you want to store.
Sorry, list is an order collection. It is used in primitive data types. S object, user defined objects, and S objects ante account to leads, even user defined on custom objects like student C, and all primitive data types like integer, double, string. In this, so in that way we can use the list. And
Okay.
So more about set is like sets are similar to a list, and as I've said, but set is unordered, uh, and no indexes are present, and uh, sets are special because like as I said, they won't contain any duplicate. If you attempt to add same value twice, there will be only one element in the set, that is that value. And first మనం ఏం యాడ్ చేసాం, ఫస్ట్ మనం రెడ్ యాడ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి రెడ్, ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ ఎనీ అగైన్ రెడ్, the second element will be displayed. It will overwrite like that. It will use to maintain the unique elements like email addresses, say, for example, IDs or emails, because IDs or emails are always unique. And these are the main important points. Like it is also having the same methods like list, but as I said, the main difference is like it is unordered, and it won't allow duplicates. That's the major difference between set and list.
ఓకే. లిస్ట్
Again,
కన్‌స్ట్రక్టర్‌ని పాస్ చేస్తుందా సెట్?
sorry.
లిస్ట్ కన్‌స్ట్రక్టర్‌ని పాస్ చేస్తుందా సెట్?
Yeah, you can add anything, ma'am. You can add a list to set, set to list. Anything you can add.
తనే అదే అడుగుతున్నాను, తననే చెప్తాడా లేదా అని. ఓకే.
And this is the example I have to plan. Same again, three examples. Similar elements we can add, like same methods, like we can add in that elements. All the methods are similar to the list, and but as I said, it won't allow duplicates, and it is unordered. So that's the thing. And map, regarding map is like again it is having two things, and key and value pair. Key will be always be unique, and value will be always can be duplicate. So it is like lists are ordered in the order they are built, with the first elements as index will be 0, so second will be 1. But maps we have a key and to specify that 0, 1, 2, 3. So because it, as I said, key will be always unique, so it won't be having any duplicates. So both keys and values in a map can be of any data, meaning that can be primitive, it can be collections, and it can be user defined. Because we have both keys and value pairs. Like we have unique keys and duplicates, so we can use any type of data in the map. And these are the methods in map. We can put key and values. We will get the keys, that is unique values. Key set, it will get only the key values, and values it will get the values present in the map. Size, it will show the size of the map. In clone and clear, it is similar to list and set, like. And for example, I have to map and map. See, this is the syntax of map and map data type, map new map data type. So we can put the value, a key and value, and so pivot one is a key. It is similar to the index. In index we start with 0. Here we can put any type of key and instead of numbers, only numbers. So we are again get key. It will add the it will give the keys, and so keys DO2, DO3, DO4, and key sets. It will give only the DO1, DO2, DO3, DO4, and values. It will give CSC, civil, mechanical, triple E, and size. It will give the size of the map, and clone. It will clone from student department 1 to student department 2. From one map to another map, we can use clone, and clear. We can clear all the elements present in the map. So these are the collections. These are about collections, and interview questions I will ask now. So interview questions I will ask now. Stay set.
You are sharing screen, Gopish?
Yeah, I will ask the interview questions, sir, because
You add the questions in the PPT, or like you want to ask now?
I dumped in the words, sir.
Yeah, you can ask. Then you can share Word document.
Yeah, because it is having answers, so I'm not sharing the screens. So I will ask the questions like.
Ask
Yes,
you
yes.
question.
Yeah.
You can ask.
What is what is list like?
Actually, list can contain any number of records of primitive collections as objects defined in built in Apex type. This is one of more
It is a collection of
This is the
similar
collection of
items.
several elements.
Yeah.
It is index-based mechanism, so it is ordered
Yeah.
based.
It will allow duplicates.
It
We can
allow-
add that
it allow duplicates.
and syntax. We have to use the syntax like list data type list name equal to new list data type curly braces. So we can say the syntax as well. Yeah. List is a collection of similar elements is called list. It is ordered. List will allow duplicates, and the syntax is list data type list name equal to new list data type. We can say like that. So yeah. So what is internal data structure? I don't have any idea. So it is also
Internal data
important
structure.
question. Internal data structure.
we use in array list, right? It is.
So internal data structure is nothing but it can be defined as a way of sorting or organizing the data.
Yes.
Yeah. So that accessing data will become easier. Right? So yeah, we use internal data structure to organize the data.
Okay.
So this is the important question.
So it defines the way we add elements.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
and we access
way
the
we
element.
organize the data actually.
Yeah.
So because accessing data will be easier, right? So this is so important. Internal data structure.
Yes.
So the third one is like will list maintain the insertion order?
Sorry.
As I said, will list maintain insertion order?
Yes.
Yes, it will
Yes,
maintain.
correct. List will maintain insertion order because many elements inserted before will go on lower index, right? So then any element which is inserted after, so list will maintain the insertion order. So this is also important question. Next one is like how elements in list are referred. Sir. Anyone know?
Oh, elements in list or order.
List, how elements in the list are referred.
Index based on index.
Based on index number.
How elements in the list? Can you
Are
come
referred.
again?
ఎట్లా రెఫర్ చేస్తారు లిస్ట్ లో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ని?
Index based.
With the help of index.
Refer by using index.
We can say like the values that make up a list are called element, or called it elements, or its item. The values that make up a list are called its elements or its items. So this is also important. And the difference between add and add all methods. So anything, you can take anything. What is the difference between add and add all methods?
Adding
Add and add all.
add all
Yeah.
entire list.
List to set or list to we can add use.
Yeah. I will explain
Add
like
is a
Actually, it is
list
used
to copy
add
to
on
another
method.
list.
We can add elements on already existing list. Add all means.
yeah, we can say like this, ma'am. When we wanted to add single elements into collection, we use add method, ma'am.
Yes.
Add all method is used when we want to add all elements from the source collection to our collection, like what we have put.
Yes.
So next question is like difference between add index comma element and set index comma element. So what is difference between add
So
index
if-
comma element?
It is specified
And-
index say for fifth index. If you want to add red, say we are taking colors, list of colors. So we are adding red color at fifth index, that is sixth position. Fifth index, that is sixth position. But what is the next thing?
Add index and add.
Set index
set.
element. Yeah.
So again, if I want to at fifth index, that is sixth position, if I instead of red, I want to add blue. I want to set it as blue. I will use set index.
Correct. We can say also say like this simply. The add method adds a value to the end of the list. Correct. End of the list we can add method. The set method is used to replace an existing value in a specific index. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, in the list. So for adding existing value in a specific index, we use set, sir. To the end of the list, if we wanted to add a value, we use add method.
Okay.
Yeah. The next question is like how to sort list elements in ascending and descending orders. This is important.
Really interesting. Bond question.
Yeah, how to sort list elements in ascending and descending order. So anyone? So what we have to take, sir, for
integer
sorting? Integer we have to take, correct,
actually,
in the list.
yes.
So I want list of elements, right? So I am taking list of integer. First I will explain the sorting in descending order. So list of elements always start list is always started with indices. So I will take at 0, 10, sir. List 1 at 1 I will take 5, sir. At 2 I will take 4, sir. So how to sort it? We can sort it by using list name dot sort. Okay, list name dot sort. Ascending or descending, the method we can use like ASC list or DSC. We can sort like that.
But
I will.
My question, can I ask my question? My question is
Yeah,
if it contains a list of some string values.
Yes, sir.
So how can we sort it?
The string value we cannot sort it.
So because ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏమన్నారు ఇంటీజర్ సమ్ 2 పొజిషన్ 5 పొజిషన్ తీసుకొని అంటే 2 and 5 తీసుకొని సార్ట్ చేస్తా అంటున్నారు. లిస్ట్ డాట్ సార్ట్ ఏఎస్సి ఆర్ డిఎస్ అని పెట్టారు. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ నాకు కూడా తెలియదు. చాలా ఇట్స్ ఎ హెల్తీ డిస్కషన్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ దట్. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే స్ట్రింగ్
అంటే ఇప్పుడు
వాల్యూస్
ఇంటీజర్ బదులు స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకుంటారు సార్ పైన లిస్ట్ లో. స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకొని 0 ప్లేస్ లో రామ్ అని యాడ్ చేస్తాడు, 1 ప్లేస్ లో భీమ్ అని యాడ్ చేస్తాడు, 2 ప్లేస్ లో జక్కన్ అని యాడ్ చేస్తాడు.
ఓకే విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్.
అప్పుడు అసెండింగ్ మనం డిసెండింగ్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ రామ్ వస్తాడు, మళ్ళీ భీమ్ వస్తాడు, మళ్ళీ
అంటే విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్
జక్కన్ వస్తాడు. Yeah.
అర్థమైంది. With respect to indexes,
I
we are
will-
sorting,
I will-
right?
Yeah, I will ping that code in chat box, sir.
Yeah. Thank
will
you.
be easy.
Really. ఈ పాయింట్ ఎప్పుడు ఇన్నేది.
Yeah, it's just sorting method, sir. మామూలుగా బబుల్ సార్ట్ అంటే టైప్ లో.
అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నంబర్స్ తీసుకొని నంబర్స్ డాట్ సార్ట్ అని తీసుకొని లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ నేమ్స్ ఆర్ నంబర్స్ సో అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ చేస్తాము. సో నంబర్స్ రివర్స్ కావాలి అంటే చేసుకోవచ్చు.
అంటే విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఇండెక్సెస్ మేడం, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఇండెక్సెస్ సార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
మనం ఏ డేటా టైప్ అయినా చేసుకోవచ్చు అండి. బట్ లిస్ట్ లో ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇండెక్స్, రైట్ సార్? సో దట్స్ వాట్. So I pinged you the descending order, how to write the program. So ascending order also just similar to that, but larger to small elements. Like, regarding the indices, it will be different. And then what is set, sir? Next question. Sir, అర్థమైంది. So regarding this, the sorting.
Clear గా అర్థమైంది.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So what is set, sir?
అంటే యూనిక్ వాల్యూస్ ఐడెంటిఫై స్టోర్ చేసుకోవడానికి సెట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం.
Yeah.
ఇది బేసిక్ థింగ్. ఇంకేమైనా ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉందా?
Will set allow duplicates?
It will not.
Will set allow duplicates?
Set will not allow.
Not allow.
Yeah, not allow.
Yeah. What is the use of contain elements? Contain all elements.
Contain within a particular element, contain all elements.
Yeah.
In particular data, we contain all means that will be there in the data.
We can say like this, and ఇప్పుడు అది if it returns true, the set contain if the set contains the specified elements, it is contains element, and contains all returns true if set contains all the elements in the specified set. We can say like,
okay, checking one element in the existence of one element, that is contains. Checking all
all elements in the specified set or something.
Yeah.
But specified set should be of same type as the original set.
Yes.
That calls the method.
Yeah, then only we can compare.
Yeah. So can we sort elements in the set, sir? Can we sort elements in the set?
We cannot.
No. Actually, it is unordered.
Yeah, correct. Because
Okay.
it is unordered, it is duplicate, and no, we cannot sort. Contains duplicates. No.
Really important.
What is map? Yeah. They will twist it like, why we are not, why we can not sorting elements, why only in. So again, what is map? And collection of key value pairs which having unique key maps with single value. Is common question. So what is map? Can a key be duplicated, sir? Question.
No, it is unique.
Sorry?
Key is unique.
Can a key be duplicated?
No, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Key
cannot be duplicated because key is always unique.
Values can be repeated, keys are unique.
Yes, correct. So what is key set in maps?
All the keys of the list contains, which gives all the keys of the list.
Sir.
So easy, sir. We can get keys that contain in the maps. Simple.
Sorry, map. Sorry.
Yeah. So values in the maps are value.
Put all from map.
So all
to-
values.
To
all
get
the values in
set
the
of
map.
values in map, we use value methods.
Yeah.
Yes.
So these are the questions what I gathered.
థ్యాంక్ యూ గోపి, రియల్లీ హెల్దీ డిస్కషన్. చాలా నాకు హోంవర్క్ అయింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. చాలా విషయాలు తెలియదు నాకు.
అయిపోయింది.
Yeah, Gopi, one more thing, you can share that document, all the questions you asked.
సార్ దాంట్లో పెట్టినా సార్ చాట్ లో.
Group లో పెట్టారా?
Yeah, పెట్టారు.
Sure, sir, no problem. Yeah, it is interaction session is more interesting అన్నమాట. మీరు చెప్పిన ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కంటే ఇంటరాక్షన్ సెషన్ బాగా యాక్టివ్ గా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ రియాక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు.
బాగున్నాయి. లైక్ ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్ కి ఇలా క్వశ్చన్స్ రైజ్ చేసుకుంటే దెన్ వీ కెన్ ఈజీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఆన్సర్స్ అండ్ లైక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఆల్సో.
yes man, అందుకనే so everyone need to explain topic and everyone needs to ask questions ఆ టాపిక్ మీద.
Yes.
So same thing actually Monday onwards we have some other presentations, right? Monday నుంచి వేరే presentations ఉన్నాయి కదా, please do same thing whatever is session like that. But instead of hiding the document, you can show the questions in the UI. అర్థమవుతుందా? You can create a two like a documents, maybe one is for questions, one is for one questions with answers అన్నట్టు. అర్థమవుతుందా PPT లోనా? So first you can ask question in the first PPT, first slide. Second slide what you have to do is show the answer. So అదేంటంటే ఇంకా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? After directly don't show second slide, give the answer, then we'll see అన్నమాట ఆన్సర్ అన్నట్టు సెకండ్ స్లైడ్ లో. ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్ వచ్చేసి క్వశ్చన్, సెకండ్ స్లైడ్ లో ఆన్సర్, ఫస్ట్ మళ్ళీ థర్డ్ స్లైడ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫోర్త్ స్లైడ్ ఆన్సర్, అట్లా. అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికి?
Yes sir.
So please do that so that it is very good.